and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, what makes a great Retrained Search member? Well, it's a question that I get asked a lot, so let me tell you. Firstly, they commit, they go all in, they hoover up the content, they know what they need to do and they do it. No excuses. Secondly, they carve out the time to do the work. It sounds small, but it is a biggie. It's very much like when you were at school. You really do get out of the programme what you put in. Next, they ask questions. Look, the course itself is brilliant, it's complete and it has all of the materials necessary to win and deliver your work on a retained basis. But you will have questions, and we don't believe that there is such a thing as a stupid question. Okay, maybe that's only true to a point, but you know what I mean. Next, they show up to everything and they utilise all of the support available to them, dropping coaching sessions, weekly Q&A calls, and they use our community platform. Next, they're coachable. They're vulnerable quite often and they're open to learning new things. And lastly, they share. They share their wins, they share their challenges, they share what works and what doesn't, and they learn from it. So if you think that you could be the next Retrained Search member, drop a note in the comments and we'll get back to you. I hope this has been useful and I'll see you next time.